Guys, I'm here to fit this dash cam, the Apeman C4200. Didn't come with a hardwire kit. This is the rear camera. It's not the cutest, like some dash cams that you might find on the market. It's a bit universal, isn't it? And then this is the camera reference. So this is probably not very expensive kit, but I'll check it out and let you know. Hopefully put a link in the description. So this camera's going internally because it's not going to be used for any parking. It's just for monitoring out the rear view mirror, looking for accidents and whatnot. Let me get cracking. What's up guys, I'm just fitting this dash cam and I thought I'd take a second to show you how I'm converting this ordinary plug into a hardwire kit. It's not going to be a proper hardwire kit because it can't tell the difference between ignition and ignition off and ignition on, or constantly live or not constantly live. So it will just be on and off supply or constantly on. So I just broke the front off, and the pin right down the middle is always the positive, because that's what you would find down in the middle of there. All the way down in the middle will be positive, and the little chrome bits on the side, and they are the earth. So I'm going to strap this black wire around one of them, tape it up, and that's it. This is what you need to do to search for an ignition feed on a car. So this is the fuse box here. This is your two probes. This is probably one place that you can put it, or there for your earth. And then on the tips of your fuses, like so, you're checking and you'll be looking for 12 volts. So in this case, I just want to shove this down there like that. Okay, shove that in there like that. Careful not to scratch the paint. I check there. So this is a live feed because the ignition is off and there's power there. If I go over to this 25 amp fuse here, there's nothing there. If I turn the ignition on by pressing this button here, see all the lights are on, that means the ignition is on. I come back to this fuse here, I get 12 or 11.2, that means that is an ignition fed fuse. If I turn the ignition back off, you got to make sure and do this part as well. Turn it off, all lights out, back onto that fuse, and the power is gone. That's how you do it. That's how you do the job basically. So this is where I'm hiding all the excess wire from this dash cam. It's gonna go there. Whack a bit of tape on there, and then the camera is just gonna go like here, I think, or on the plastic. Yeah. Stick it to the plastic and then hide this wire through like there. Let's get this done. That's it, I'm done, boy. So I just fitted this dash cam here. It's the Apeman 4200. That's where I put the rear camera. Let me just clean up that there. And you can see the front camera there. You can see me in the top right there, isn't it? Rear camera. Let's go around the front quick. SB88. That's that. And the wiring is in here on the fuse box and the ignition feed.